Welcome to Gumera's Garage. Today, we're making our own oil feed line for this Volkswagen 1.9 ALH TDI Turbo. Let's get started.
Well, the oil feed line for the Jetta diesel 1.9 ALH, it's broken, so it's obvious that this line it's original. It's been sit there for a long time, and as you can see, that's how it's supposed to look like. Actually, this way. It's supposed to look like there. So when I remove this nut, the end piece comes with it and broke. So we're going to fix this temporarily, right? And then I will show you how. If you're interested, stay tuned. And also, if this video helps, please consider to subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, so we may be able to grow this channel and hopefully we can help more people. Let's do it. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this part here. This is what we're gonna need, and we're gonna make a new line from here all the way to the back. So we're gonna cut it. So that's what it look like. Now we're gonna clean this up. As you can see, it's dirty. Voila. So we're gonna flatten this up a little bit. There we go. Remove the bore or the sharp edge here. So now I'm gonna get a new line. So I'm using this 5/16 by steel coil line. All right, so obviously we're gonna have to at least bend this line as much as possible like the original. So I'm gonna have to bend on this very bottom here. See if I can copy that. But also, before you begin to bend, you gotta make sure that you clear this first, the bottom one. So we're gonna clear that first. So I'm using an 8 mm size adapter for this. I'm using a 8 mm bubble player. Okay, so this is what it looked like. So it's more like a double flare in there, just enough to fill up the hole here, as you can see. And you tighten this up, right? So the more you tighten this, it's gonna seal up properly. So now we're gonna bend it, and we should be good to go. Right, so to bend this, I'm using the heating up the pipe so that we're not gonna pinch the bend. So I'm gonna use the induction heater. Not too bad. All right, so it's finally done. So this is the old one, old line, and the new line that I make. As you can see, it's not 100%, but I bend it as much as I can. It's not a beautiful bend too, but I did you know, warm them up, make it easier to bend. And now, as you can see, this is the other end that goes to the turbo. And there's the other end here that cut. And I just put a union here that would look like that, right? So this just a basic union. Have a compression sleeve here. Oh, this one burst. So yeah, so you insert this end here. Once you insert that end, put a sleeve in, compression sleeve, just like that. So here's the other end, right? So same thing, I just got it. Put this nut here and the compression sleeve, just like that. Then just push this in and tight it up, right? Make sure they're close. Same thing with this one here. So that's what it should look like, but we still have to tighten this up. Alright, so this is what it look like. So there's our union, goes here, go to the back, and to the turbo. So yeah, we'll see if it leaks.